Alrighty, folks. Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today is Monday, May 1st, and the markets have closed up here about a half hour ago. So we waited all weekend for the S&Ps to do abso-freaking-lutely nothing. Total snooze fest here today. But for the S&P 500 roadmap, I'm still looking for a push towards 420 this week, as discussed in yesterday's video. And as far as the bullish case here, you've got your weekly bull squeeze printing your buy signal, and inside of your weekly chart, you have a daily bull squeeze printing the buy signal. So that bodes well for the bulls. But notice over here on the hourly chart, right? Last week you get the break of support. They're roping in all the shorts. So everyone and their mama and their mama's boyfriend buying the puts. And then on Thursday you get the short squeeze. It's violent, it's spastic, and it leaves us a little bit stretched here on the 1 hour chart. So at this point, the S&Ps have gone a good 10 or 12 points without one backtest, one revisit of the hourly 21 EMA. So that 414 level might be a level that we have to test before we can eventually turn the corner and get that breakout. Now, for what it's worth here, guys, I don't think we should end up much under the hourly 21. You break that level in a big fashion, and then the idea of pushing into 420 by Friday gets a little bit sketch. A little bit suspect, as the kids would say. So while I do think a dip down to 414, totally normal, we should not break under that level. Now, a couple things here on your 30-minute, your 15-minute, and the 5-minute. So over on the 30-minute chart, we got a brand new low compression squeeze. That's your black dot squeeze on the Squeeze Pro. However, at the moment on the Big 3 indicator, it's neutral. We're not printing a buy signal, we're not printing a sell signal, it's just a little bit lame for now. But keep that in the back of your mind. The next decent directional move probably unfolds in that 30-minute squeeze, either fires short or fires long in the direction of trend. But now if you take it down a notch to your 15-minute chart, we have a 15-minute squeeze, and while we don't have the official sell signal just yet, I am getting that magenta dot. And the magenta dot tells me the structure, the momentum, starting to lean a little bit more bearish. And then you take it down one more notch to the 5-minute chart, and on the 5-minute you have a squeeze printing that sell signal. So your weekly chart looks perfect, your daily chart looks good. The hourly chart is still bullish, but like I mentioned, after that short squeeze, we haven't come back to test that 21 EMA just yet. So potentially tomorrow morning, what you could look for is for the 5-minute squeeze to fire short, and that might trigger the flush down to that hourly 21 EMA. Now, I don't think you have to buy it there immediately, but the thinking is, alright, we come down a little bit more. We should find support near the hourly 21. We should begin to stabilize. And then from there, if the 5-minute goes bullish again, the 15-minute goes bullish, the 30-minute goes bullish, then you're looking for your next leg higher off of your hourly 21 EMA. And if they can do that, guys, I think we're still in pretty good shape here for a push towards that 420 by the end of the week. So for tomorrow, that's your over-under level. Above 414, everything's still pretty solid here under the surface. Below 414, things get a little bit sketchy. And then that 30-minute squeeze here on the S&Ps, when that eventually triggers long or short, should give you your next decent directional move. Something to sink your teeth into and latch onto. So that is it for tonight, guys. For full transparency, we did buy some calls earlier. So we got the 421 calls on the S&Ps for Friday's expiration. And I might add a little bit more to that trade, and then maybe a couple more if we do come down to that 21 EMA and find some support. But there you have it for tonight, guys. As always, I hope you find it helpful. I appreciate you being a subscriber, and I'll talk to you soon. Adios.